Auto reset all setting. In this phone I am using the latest iOS 18.1. So this is iOS 18.1 beta version and this is iOS 18. To reset iOS 18.1, open your setting, and if you go to the control center, then you can see the reset control center available here. If you press on this option, reset control, then your control panel is resetting. But if you go to the iOS 18 control center, you don't see this option. To reset control center, you have to go your general, then select transparent reset phone, press on reset. Now you have to select reset all setting, enter your passcode, again, then setting, reset all setting. Now your control panel also resetting for this phone. So that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.